specialization. Ya, setengah pekerja dia cuma work into a unique task. Kerja dia tengok macam contoh it related to the division or level into unique task. Ya, employees focus to only specific task and duty in organization. Ini banyakkan pakar-pakar. Dia jadi pakar rujuk. Sebagai contoh GC, you more on billing saja, billing cost, billing untuk bill on finance. For example, GC is the on executive or in finance department. GC ni dia akan in charge on expenses, production expenses je, company expenses. So apa-apa expenses cost, even the CEO pun, even the finance manager pun akan refer to the GC. Because why? She specialized in term of the billing ataupun company expenses. Company expenses, GC yang control. Ainin pula kalau in term of the design the product, innovate of the product, she is in the quality quality manager in the department, in the company. So Aini akan melihat dari segi produk-produk baru di dalam pasaran. Then come back get information and innovate to the organization in our current product. So they focus to a certain job. That is they call is the labor specialization. Is also one of the component in the job design. Okay, whereby the employees focus on the specific tasks and duty in the organization, and it may increase skill, knowledge, and create specialists to a certain job. Dia jadi specialist, dia jadi expert. Sebab apa? Dia tahu bila cakap pasal expenses ni, dia tahu okay production ni tahun lepas dia berapa dia expenses dia beli raw material. Engineering tahun lepas dia beli berapa the spare part, the parts. GC tahu already. Because why? GC labor specialization. They focus on the expenses of the finance on the company. Ini dia tahu dah produk ni, dia tengok dia tahu dah apa yang nak di-amend. Apa karakter produk ni because she specialized in the product design, apa product development punya department. Alright, okay. Ini zuan-zuan program masuk ni. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Boleh faham kelas? Please respond by voice.
Yes, doctor.
Thank you very much. Alright, the next one I would like to call Nur Alia. Nur Alia, are you in the class, Nur Alia? Nur Alia Damia.
Yes, doctor.
Alright, okay, good. The next slide, please read job expansion.
Okay.
Yes, please read the
Job
slide.
expansion. Adding more variety to jobs intended to reduce boredom associated with labor specialization. Job enlargement, horizontal expansion of duties and tasks across the same organization level. Job rotation, rotate the job from time to time. Job enrichment is the vertical expansion of the roles, responsibilities, authority and activities along with the different hierarchical levels. Example, cross-functional duties.
Sorry. Okay, sorry.
Employee empowerment, delegate some duties, authority to the subordinates.
Alright, good. Kenapa Alia, saya suruh baca Alia, no Alia? Supaya? Correct. Yeah, very good, pandai. Okay, alright. So another one job expansion. We also another component in the job design is job expansion. Just now specialization. Yeah. Ini semua ni nanti you akan jumpa bila you masuk dalam company. Ya, bila you deal dengan company nanti, especially when you in HR ataupun you jadi manager, you akan tahu bila you ada subordinate, you akan tahu. You masa bila which employee you should go for the job specialization, which employee you should go for job expansion. Yeah, so this one is under job design. Yeah? So adding more variety to the job. Yeah, more variety to the job. Job expansion means that you expand the duties and responsibility to a particular job. For example, I need in the product development department. Okay, lepas tu saya expand dia suruh tengok juga bagian quality sikit. Saya expand juga tengok dia dalam bantu dalam production. So I expand I need punya responsibility, job duties and responsibility. Yeah, because I adding more variety to the job. Aini sebenarnya dia control hanya productions dalam kilang saja. I also expand Aini to control the production dekat branches sama. Lihat sama performer of the branches into product quality. Product development. So this is one about, because why? Job expansion is one of the component of the job analysis. We want to add more variety to the job, intended to reduce boring associated with level specialization. Liang, let's say you already 5 or 6 years doing the same job. How will you feel?
You will be bored, maybe.
Yeah?
You'll be bored.
Boring, yes.
Feel boring, yes.
Maybe after that you chow to the other company. You know what I mean, chow?
Jump.
You jump to other company, you think you chow to other company, because why? 5 years doing the same thing, doing the same job, doing the same position, so that's why in order to avoid job boring, to avoid to increase the employees loyal to the company, so we expand job expansions. So we need to look which our employee need to expand. For example, Liang already 6 years in production. Maybe she need to expand about the quality, about other department, molding department, maybe about the store departments, maybe about the raw material departments, to make sure that the Liang can enlarge the job. Mean what bad? Job enlargement. Horizontal expansion of the duty and tasks across the same organization level. Job enlargement means that job expansion you can do by job enlargement, job rotation, job enrichment, and employees empowerment. What I mean by job enlargement? Job enlargement means that you expand the job duties and tasks which is same organization level. For example, Liang, even though your production, dalam production tidak banyak section kan? Dia ada section A, section B, section D, section D, because production bukan satu proses saja. There are many process. So, saya enlargekan job enlargement sebelum ni Liang dalam section A. Saya bagi dalam section B dan C, for example. Itu adalah job enlargement. Tetapi masih di dalam same organization level. Sebagai contoh, Liang is a production supervisor. Liang currently working in section A in production. After 5 years, I try to make a job enlargement to Liang. Okay, I give Liang, I also transfer Liang to the section B, but in production. So an enlargement in same organization level or in same department. Because for example, in one department there are many work process, isn't it? Betul tak Liang? Dia ada banyak work process kan? Dia ada proses A, proses B, proses C dan sebagainya. Jadi in order to make a job enlargement, jadi saya pindahkan Liang di dalam section B pula. Sebelum ni Liang bekerja dalam section A. Boleh faham kelas? Ada persoalan? You want to share something? Ada pernah bekerja, ada kerja part time tak sebelum ni? Ada yang pernah bekerja tak sebelum ni? Kilang-kilang ke? Aini kerja kat mana Aini?
Saya di Pasir Gudang, Johor. CCM Chemicals.
Which company?
CCM Chemicals.
What is your job duties?
Administration.
Administration, okay. Kalau di dalam your experience, Aini, Sarah, okay, sesuatu pekerja tu dia akan duduk berapa lama dalam satu section tu?
Mostly around 5 to 6 years. Something that akan ada pertukaran lah ataupun adding some job scope. Yep.
Yeah. Right, tu because why? Satu, kita nak pastikan pekerja ni akan develop. Dia akan enrich their skill, their knowledge. Sebagai contoh, GC bukan hanya buat expenses sebenarnya, dia juga recording in term of the profit coming in. Ataupun saving cost. Dia akan monitor on cost saving in the company. So dia akan banyaklah, jadi dia akan orang kata apa, akan increase their skill knowledge. This can do through the job expansion, job enlargement, job rotation, rotate the job from time to time. Job rotation, for example, 5 years I need duduk di production, and then another 5 years pula duduk di engineering department. Lepas tu another 5 years tukar pula dekat quality department. That is rotate. Lepas tu pula Liang pula pegang productions. Lepas tu Aini, Sarah pula pergi pegang quality. Dia akan tu, this rotate, job rotation. Sebagai contoh, in HR department last time, 4 years dalam industrial relation about the discipline, the trade union, ke satu union, jaga satu union, and then after years, I buat training and development, and then after 5 years or 3 years, buat pula dalam administration, recruitment, pengambilan pekerja dan sebagainya. So this is a job rotation. And finally, apa kelebihan job rotation? Tengku, are you in the class, Tengku? Tuan apa nama tadi? Tuan Faris, are you in the class? Tuan Faris? Faris pun hilang. Okay. Natasha, are you in the class, Natasha?
Yes, Doktor.
Natasha, on your camera, Natasha. Apa kelebihan Natasha apabila kita rotate kita punya employees?
Kejap.
Yes, please. Tak apa cakap je tu. Apa kelebihan kalau kita rotate our employees?
Macam mana soalan ni?
Okay. What is the benefit or advantage when we rotate our employees from one job to another job?
Akan meningkatkan kecekapan.
Okay, increase the efficiency. Yes, very good. And then Nur Hasif, are you in the class, Nur Hasif?
Ada, Doktor.
Apa lagi Hasif yang kelebihan yang kita bila buat job rotation?
Kelebihan dia pekerja akan ada pelbagai kemahiran.
Multi-skill, very good. Pandai Hazif,
multi-skill.
multi-skill. On your camera, Azif. Jangan malu, on your camera, Azif. Okay. Akan jadi multi-skill, akan increase efficiency. Alright, good. Shirin Nurani.
Yes, Doctor.
Yes, on your camera, Shirin, yes. What is the advantage if we rotate our employees from one job to another job? Kelebihan. Try je, Shirin.
Increase production cost.
Come again?
Increase the production.
Increase for the production cost. Okay, all right. Alia Azman. Thank you for your try. Good try. Alia?
Yes, Doctor.
Yes, Alia. What is the advantage of we rotate our employees from one job to another job?
Increase skills.
Increase?
Skills.
Skills. Oh, increase skill. Yes, correct. Increase skill and knowledge. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So, okay. Let's say, okay, our friend said that, Salim said that maybe increase the cost. Yeah. If the employees, we need to train, but we increase cost initially. After that, after he or he expert, then we don't need to train anymore. Yeah. So when we do a job expansion or job rotation to our employee, they can get a new experience, increase their skill, they become a multi-skill, so on. Yeah. And then job enrichment. What I mean by job enrichment is the vertical expansion of the roles, responsibility, authority, and activity along with the different hierarchical level. This is a cross-functional job enrichment, where you enrich your current job. Yeah. For example, you expand the roles, you peranan, your responsibility, the authority, along with the different hierarchical. For example, Aini Sarah as assistant manager of the production, Aini Sarah juga akan diberi kuasa untuk melihat manager punya juga, membantu manager di dalam duties and responsibility. Pada masa bila manager tidak ada, Aini Sarah boleh take over, replace. That is enrichment. Ataupun GC juga pada masa sama juga boleh acting ataupun boleh melihat tugas-tugasan boss you ataupun your immediate superior you. Bila keadaan tertentu. Jadi dia delegate about some of the boss punya job to you. Because what? To expose you, to expand your job. Jadi bila pada contoh, bila boss you promoted to the other company ataupun dia jump to the other company atau dia promote to the other position, so JC, the person can take over the position. Itu pentingnya job enrichment. Kalau kita, apa akan berlaku kalau hanya kita fokus pada satu tu saja? Akan tadi yang kata increase boring, dia akan jadi decrease employees loyalty, and so on. Alright. What about employees empowerment? Delegate some duties, authority to the subordinate. Penting tak? Iwana Syahira, penting tak kita delegate some of duty and authority to our subordinate? Is it important? We need to delegate some of duty, authority to our subordinate. Sebagai contoh, Iwana, let me give example. Iwana adalah sebagai manager. Perlu tak Iwana delegate kepada assistant manager ataupun kepada executive setengah-setengah duty and authority?
Perlu rasanya.
Kenapa? Why? Yes, please. Aisyah Husna, are you in the class? Thank you, Iwana. Aisyah Husna, are you in the class?
Yes, sir.
On your camera, Aisyah. Aisyah, is it important we would need to delegate some duty and authority to subordinate? Aisyah,
Yes.
kenapa? Why?
Because sebab ketua tu banyak lagi benda nak fokus.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So with some circumstances, it's certain job, not all the job. Yeah. It depends as the suitable of the job. We need to do employees empowerment. We need to delegate some authority duties to the subordinate. For example, Aisyah pergi outstation. Aisyah need to in charge on the branch A. So some Aisyah tak boleh tengok dah, kadang tak sempat nak tengok. So Aisyah kalau nak bagi effectively, bagi production pun jalan, Aisyah kena delegate some of the duty and authority to the assistant manager Aisyah. Ya, to make sure ke tidak nanti Aisyah tak ada, habis semua tak boleh jalan. Ya, semua tak boleh jalan sebab apa? Semua kena tunggu bos. Kalau bos tak bagi gerahan, tak boleh jalan. So in the certain circumstances, we need to delegate some of the duty and authority to our subordinate. Aisyah kata, okay, GC, you are assistant manager to me, then please make sure whatever decision that you feel is important, please do it yourself. Please work independently. Please also look into some of duty. I'm not available here. I need to go outstation to look other branch in Singapore, for example. So in whatever year, you please taking care. So that's why delegation or employee empowerment is comes in. Yeah? Boleh faham kelas? Please respond by voice.
Yes, Doctor.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So, okay. All right. Okay. Psychological component of job design. All right. Okay. Human resource strategy require consideration of the psychological component of the job design. Okay. Pada masa sama juga, apabila kita design the job ni, kita kena tengok psychological components. Ya. Adakah kerja tu melibatkan kompleks punya job? Adakah require spatial skill? Adakah perlukan unique skill? Macam contoh oil and gas. Ataupun very high technology punya product need to be produced, medical equipments, medical tools and so on. So we also need to the psychology component of the job design. Adakah perlu perlu turun ke laut atau perlu mendaki bangunan? Adakah perlu risiko? So kita kena tengok juga psychological component of the job design. Because benda ini perlu dilihat ya, kerana dia mempengaruhi kemahiran, ya, pengalaman, pengetahuan seseorang pekerja berdasarkan job design. Yeah, so this is a psychological component of the job. Okay, alright. Core job characteristic. Okay, GC please read. GC dah baca tadi kan? GC dah baca kan? Okay, alright. Tolong saya Nurul Atika, are you in the class? Nurul Atika baca lagi?
Yes.
Dah baca lagi belum? Belum?
Belum.
Okay, please read slide. 10.
Okay, so basically core job characteristic. Jobs should include the following characteristic. The first one is skill variety. Specify what are the skills required to perform the task. Second, job identity. Identity the specific outcome from the task. The third one is job significance. How the task
Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry.
how the task impact to other employees or departments. The fourth one is the autonomy. Employees have freedom and discretion in deciding how to perform their tasks. The fifth one is feedback. Employees are given clear feedback on their performance effectiveness.
All right, thank you. All right. All right, so wait. Okay, all right. Okay, so in the job analysis, we also need to consider the core job characteristic. Job should include the following characteristic. Ya, kita tengok ya. Kita kena consider skills, skill variety. Specify what are the skill required to perform the job. Sebagai contoh, kita kata dalam job design ni kita perlukan 5 engineer untuk manage the high technology punya machine from German, for example. What kind of skill needed? Yeah, what kind of the education level needed? How long the experience needed? So we need to consider the core job characteristic about the skill variety. Specify what are the skill required to perform the job. Kita takut nanti Liam, kita ambil orang yang salah, orang yang tak very competent. For example, the job design require a very high technology, but then yang perlukan mechanical engineering punya degree, tetapi you ambil civil engineering at diploma holder. So it is not is something wrong in your recruitments, in the job design, And then job identity, identify the specific outcome from the task. What you expected from the task? Kenapa kita pastikan bahawa kita nak producekan a high quality, a high technology punya equipments. So we need to identify what specific outcome. That's why we need very people who are from the mechanical engineering with the 5-year experience at least degree level. Kena identify juga job significant, how the task impact to the other employee departments. For example, especially Lim Lee, I know dia punya kerja dia tu, dia interrelated. In order to produce the tire, for example, kita perlukan raw material, lepas tu kita perlukan bahagian cutting. Lepas cutting kita kena mold, masak tire. Lepas tu kita kena pergi buffing, buang dia punya bulu-bulu tire tu, lepas tu pergi ke store. Jadi dia kena tengok job significance dia. How many process involved in one particular product. Because why? Because dia akan menentukan the smooth of the productivity. So benda-benda tu kena consider dalam job design. Autonomy. Employees have freedom and discretions in deciding how to perform their task. Kena tengok, kena bagi juga empowerment authority. Freedoms. Kalau kita terlampau rigid nanti employees tidak akan boleh create creativity, tidak boleh create innovations. So we need to give some autonomy to our employees. That's why empowerments to come in, employee empowerment. Kita tak boleh terlampau rigid. Because sometimes, especially even though they are machine operator, but then they work very long experience, they know about in detail, so sometimes their idea also is beneficial to the company. Because what? Mereka orang-orang yang buat hari ke hari, tiap-tiap hari, dah lama bekerja di situ. They become an expert, And then the feedback, employees are given clear feedback on their performance effectiveness. So this is the core job characteristics need to be considered in the job analysis. Okay, alright. So this is the job design punya continuum, Mula-mula dia start dengan job specialization. Apa itu job specialization? Kita fokuskan kepada sesuatu kerja saja, Lepas tu kita enlarge, kita tambahkan dia punya kita mungkin daripada dia mungkin the same organization level. Dia buat kerja A, kerja B, kerja C dalam same department. Job enrichment, kita tambah dia buat lagi duty daripada dia naik ke atas, ya. Bagi contoh, dia bukan hanya hold untuk assistant manager saja, dia juga hold duty and responsibility manager punya job and task in some circumstances. Why? Itu is a job enrichment. You bukan hanya buat position untuk assistant manager punya job saja, you pada masa sama you juga membantu manager. Apabila manager tidak ada, you are people who are take for the responsibility. That is a job enrichment. Empowerment, apa itu empowerment, Liang?
Hello, empowerment is giving authority to the employees to let them more motivated in their job, maybe.
Pandai, yeah, very good. Pandai, yeah. Okay, all right. So empowerment, you empower some of duty and responsibility to your subordinate. Whenever Liang, for example, Liang is the CEO of the company, he has no time to go and look everything in the production. So that's why he need to delegate one of the authority to the engineering department, engineering manager, production department, quality, finance, and so on. Yeah. All right. All right. And another one is self-directed team. Yeah. All right. Okay, self-directed team. Okay, so I would like to call Snow. Ada sini Snow? Snow Salji? Snow ada? Are you in the class? No? Why? Are you in the class? Hello? Why? Why tak ada? Zin Nam Chong? Zin ada?
Yes, Doctor.
Thank you. And then for response, can you read the self-directed team?
Okay. Self-directed team, group of empowered individuals working together to reach a common goal, may be organized for long-term objective. Effective self-directed team due to provide employee empowerment, ensure core job characteristics.
All right. So okay. All right.
Meet individual psychological needs.
All right. So okay. All right. So after you do all this time, all these things, yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. This here specialization, engagement, enlargement, empowerment. Now the last job design continuum is the self-directed team. Group of empowered individuals working together to reach a common goal. Maybe organized for the long-term or short-term objective, yeah? So self-directed team means like, for example, they are taking care about a certain project. They're taking care about the projects to produce a new branches, to open a new branches in the organization, to open a new branches in Singapore, in Thailand, for example. So they are more on self-directed to manage about that kind of the project. Yeah, their group of empowered individuals working together to reach a common group. For example, I appoint Aini from production, I appoint GC from finance, I appoint Liang from production, I appoint Lim from the HR, yeah, to become a self-directed team, yeah, to manage a new project in Singapore, to manage a new project in Thailand. So this is a self-directed team. Normally, they are the company given empowerments. They can make a decision. They are self-directed. They work independently. They only refer a certain certainty because they're being delegates the authority to do a decision. All right, so okay. Okay, in order to make sure that we maximize the effectiveness of the self-directed team, the manager should ensure those who are legitimate contributions are on them. Yeah, so it means that the people who are really expert or legitimate contribution. Ya, kita tak mau free rider. Ya, we want actually orang-orang yang betul, yang penting ya, macam finance, into a budgeting. I need into productivity punya capacity. Lim itu into of human resource, nak bagi pekerja kepada mereka pada projek baru ni. How many manpower required? What are their skill? Liang nak tengok quality dan sebagainya. So, in order to make sure that self-directed are effective, so we need to look at the legitimate contributions, parties that involved in the self-directed, and then management support, get support from the top management because they are self-directed, yeah, clear objective, provide net training if necessary, and then benefit them with the financial and non-financial reward, and we have to control them, monitor them closely. Alright, any questions so far, class? Ada persoalan? Any questions so far? Alright, so okay. So kalau kita tengok sekali lagi sikit lagi ergonomic ya. Kita go for the ergonomic ya. Ada persoalan? Any questions so far?
No, Doctor.
Alright, okay, alright. So kita tengok di sini ya. Alright, di dalam benefit self-directed ni juga ya, dia ada benefit yang tersendiri lah. Ya, for example, okay, benefit of team and expanded job design ni kita can improve the quality of work life. Jadi orang ni kita ada setengah, okay, pekerja ni boleh buat job specialization, pekerja ni boleh buat job enrichment, ya. Jadi dia can improve the work life. Jadi tak semua tumpu pada satu kerja saja. Ya, dengan job design dan ini juga dia improve the job satisfaction. Kenapa dia improve job satisfaction? Because skill I suit dengan kerja ini. Experience I can be used in this kind of department. Skill I can be used for that particular job. Yeah, and then increase motivation. Kita rasa we are value for our knowledge. We are value for our experience. Yeah, we value for our skills. Yeah, allow employees to accept more responsibility. Kita ada job enrichment. Kita ada job expansion, yeah, and then kita improve productivity and quality. Kita ada job specialization, ya, kita ada self-directed team dan juga reduce turnover and absenteeism. Bila people work together, they fulfill job satisfaction, dia akan reduce employees turnover. Employee turnover ni maksud pekerja keluar masuk, ya, pekerja berhenti dan masuk, ya, and then dia akan juga mengurangkan ketidakhadiran di dalam pekerjaan. Alright, okay. This is limitation of job expansion. Yeah, you can read on from your own notes, yeah. Right. Okay. This is how we want to motivate our employees. Yeah. So that's why in the job design we also need to consider the benefit of the employees. Kita kena tengok. Sebagai contoh, kita ambil pekerja yang very high skill, very good experience. Kalau kita tak jaga dia, apa akan berlaku? GC. Apa akan berlaku kalau kita tak jaga pekerja kita?
Change company.
They will chow lah. They change the company, dia akan lari, ya, dia akan demoralize, dia akan low the motivations, ya. So that's why in the job design you need to also consider the motivation and incentive system. What are they? Bonus, profit sharing, ya, incentive plan, ya, knowledge based system, reward skill dia, training dia. So we need to all consider all these things. Okay, ergonomy at work. Okay, YY, please read YY. YY, are you in the class, YY? Just now you. Hello, YY.
Yes, Doctor.
Yes, please. Slide.
Economics and the work environment. Economics is the study of the interface between man and machine, often called human factors. Operator input to machines.
Alright, so okay, thank you. Alright. Apa yang kamu faham YY berkenaan dengan agronomic YY? Yes, please respond YY. What do you understand? Tak apa YY, salah pun tak apa, betul pun tak apa, tak ada masalah. YY, what you understand about the agronomic? Anyone want to try?
I think it's about how the human able to use the machine.
Right, okay. How the human handle the machine, handle the work process, a work activity, yeah? Agronomy is the study of the interface between man and machine, often called human factor and operator input to the machine, yeah? So this one agronomy makes sure that we are really want to make sure the machine we use, the equipment we use efficiently or effectively, yeah? Sebagai contoh, kita kena make sure sebelum ni proses dia banyak sangat. In order to produce one product, there are many process. Proses A, proses B, proses C, sampai proses D baru dapat produk. So with the agronomy, we cut certain process with ataupun we use a certain tool yang lebih membuatkan dia lebih efektif dan efisien. Ya, sebagai contoh, sebelum ni kita hantar raw material from one department to another department menggunakan forklift atau menggunakan humans punya energy. Tetapi bila agronomi kita gunakan trolley ataupun pada masa sama untuk kita gunakan conveyor. So this is the ergonomic. Dia more on safe and dia menjaga keselamatan pekerja juga. So this is ergonomic. Alright, okay, ergonomics and work methods, feedback to operator, the work environment, illumination, dark, noise, hearing, temperature, heat and humidity and slippery. Okay, so ergonomi ini juga dia melihat dari sudut keselamatan dalam suatu pekerjaan. Dia melihat keselamatan pekerjaan. Sebagai contoh, kalau benda tu terlampau gelap, so masukkan cahaya tak cukup, insufficient lighting. So you put another, make sure make a tingkap ke, make a door ke, atau put extra lamps to that particular department dan ataupun terlampau bising department tu menyebabkan you gangguan untuk kesihatan you. So you gunakan maybe hearings ataupun you gunakan ear hearing kan, tutup untuk ni kan keselamatan telinga tu. Macam kat flight kan you tengok kan berketutup pakai ear kan ear hearing tu. And then kalau benda tu hit terlalu temperature macam ni tak boleh nak buat kerja, tak efektif kerja tu. So you pakai you buat air ventilations ataupun aircon and so on ataupun benda tu slippery licin. So you bubuh caution, be careful on that. So this is about the ergonomic and work methods. Ergonomic ni to make sure that you work your work activity become smooth, become effective and become safe. Boleh faham kelas? Boleh faham? Can you understand that? Please respond.
Yes, Doctor.
Alright, okay. Boleh faham ya? Alright. Any questions so far? Ada persoalan? Ada apa-apa yang nak tanya, apa nak share experience? Ada tak? Ada persoalan? Selalunya ni kalau dalam factory kita selalunya HR akan kena buatlah job design ni, membantu sekali dengan production, production semua department, because why kita tidak boleh saja HR saja, because dia kena dapatkan maklumat daripada input from production, because production pun ada dia punya job activity dia ada job process dia ada keperluan ambil orang macam mana, jadi kena working together. That's why there must be work together with the others department as well. Okay, alright. Ada persoalan? Ada persoalan? Any questions so far? Ada apa-apa input nak share experience? GC pernah kerja kat mana-mana company?
Tak pernah kerja dalam kilang.
Macam kilang. Kau pernah kerja di mana-mana?
Dekat audit firm saja.
Audit firm. Okay. What about dia punya job design dia tu? Daripada ada tak job enrichment, job rotation, ada tak?
For me, no, because just short period only. But I see from my my leader, yes.
For example, dia berapa lama dia duduk satu tu pada dia kena tukar tempat lain?
Sebab based on my observation
yes, no problem.
3 to 4 years maybe. Because just the small audit firm only.
Yes, so dia kalau small audit firm dia must be multi skill. Dia kena buat pelbagai kerja, admins and auditing everything, because they're small company. I know, thank you JC. I know Birha ada pernah kerja ke mana-mana? I know.
Tak pernah lagi.
Tak pernah lagi. Okay. Alright. Okay. Nur Hasif pernah kerja mana-mana, Nur Hasif?
Tak pernah, Doktor.
Alright. Shirin Nuraini pernah bekerja mana-mana, ada experience, working experience?
No, Doctor.
Alright, it's okay. Alright. Any questions so far? Last question before I ni. Ada persoalan? Tak ada? Okay, kalau tak ada, so thank you very much for staying in the class, in the focus, stay focused in it. And then, okay, right, I hope that you can at least know the general idea, what is the job design is all about, how it is important and why it is important, and why we need to look at in terms of the skill, experience and skill of the knowledge in order to assist our organization performance, our employees performance, to make sure to reduce the waste, to upgrade the system and so on, to increase the productivity. So job design also is very important to make sure that every activity in the business can be run smoothly, can be run effectively and efficiently. Ya, kalau kita ignore about the job design, we just focus on the production only, but we don't look at in terms of the root cause, we don't manage our employees properly, we don't structure design the job properly, so it's defeat the purpose, defeat the purpose and cannot achieve the common goal of the organization, cannot achieve the KPI of the organization. Alright, kita tidak soalan. So thank you very much. So stay focused, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for doing and focus and participate with us. And assalamualaikum and goodbye. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Dr.
Alright, welcome. Thank you. Right.
Thank you, Dr. Nice day.
Alright, thank you.